Hi, this short tutorial will show you how you can put Kami assignments in your Google Classroom.
Okay, so you're going to click the Classwork tab, and then you're going to click Create. You should see Kami assignment. If you don't, that just means you need to add the extension. I'm going to click Kami assignment. I'm going to put a title in here for the worksheet. I'm going to click the paperclip and find what I just downloaded. So let's see, I put it in my documents, and here it is, grade 1 telling time. I click Open. If I want to, I can add some instructions. I can change this to whether it be points or ungraded. I'm going to leave this ungraded, no due date. And I do want to just assign this to one student. For this particular example, I'm just assigning it to one student instead of the whole class. If you wanted to assign it to more than one class, you actually could click here and assign it to more than one class, just so you know also. I'm going to leave this part out, the send Kami instructions to students, so I'm just going to click assign. Great. So the assignment is created. That is all you need to do. I will make another video so you can see what the student sees on their end.
I hope that this video was helpful for you. Have a great day.